Hello, and welcome to the Pima Community College Net Tutor Tutorial. My name is Ariel. I am a Pima Community College Navigator, and I will be helping you in if you are using Net Tutor to do your homework. To get started, we are now on the D2L main page, which most of you should be aware of or used to. If you want to know how to get there, we're going to scroll down to the main screen. Almost close to the bottom where you see PCC Quick Links. You're going to scroll over to the third icon, which is the Net Tutor right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It's going to give us a moment to load, so just bear with us. Now we are on the Net Tutor site, and this is basically what you'll be seeing if you want to use Net Tutor. We have the Net Tutor Tutoring Center, where you can go to and use the third-party tutors throughout the state or throughout the country. The times vary depending on what tutors are available, either on the weekend or the weekdays, so definitely check that out. We also have a library live chat 24/7. Again, this might be limited with who might be available. They also have testing centers. And if you have any problem with Net Tutor, there's a customer care for you to contact. Scrolling back up to the top, we're going to go ahead and click the Net Tutoring Center. And this screen will basically welcome you to Net Tutor and give you a basis of how many hours you will use within a semester to use Net Tutor. It will say 10 hours maximum. In case you go over that time, you can definitely use or email the PimaOnline at pima.edu to request additional tutoring hours. There is no additional charge that I know of. So if in case you need any more extra hours throughout the quarter to use this service, you can. So I'm going ahead and click continue. All right. And now we are on the categories of subjects that you might be looking at for whatever tutoring you prefer or might need, from accounting all the way to biology and math to reading. I am currently in an accounting class, so I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And once you click on a category or topic, then it will lead you to this page. It has your profile, username, the drop-in tutoring hours. This varies every other week. Right now it says this, but also depends on what tutor is available. During those days and times, you might not always get the same tutor. And just to let you know, in case you need some customer service with help with the Net Tutor, this is still here for your convenience. I'm going to click on it and show you any frequent questions, how to drop off your paper, how they can help you, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and click off of that, going right back to the main page. As you can see, at the moment, there are no tutors available for drop-in tutoring. So I am within the tutoring hours. Sorry, I have like 30 minutes before the tutoring hours opens up on a Saturday, so that's fine. If you want to drop off a question, they will definitely try to get back to you as they can. Just letting you know that it's not a face-to-face like you would at the Pima College with an actual tutor. It's more like a whiteboard and a chatting icon application. You're basically typing in what you need help with, and the tutor will try with their knowledge, expertise, to try to help you as best as they can. Sometimes you might have like a weight limit, a waiting time for when you are waiting for the tutor. If you want to go ahead and make up any questions you might have for them, that will definitely help you with your anything. But yeah, that's basically what the Net Tutor is. And then we're going to go ahead and click the drop-off question. So it has to be like a brief and small question you're asking. If they are asking you for a little bit more detail, you can definitely let them know once you get like an appointment with them. There's not a set appointment time. You just have to get in, and it's like a first come, first serve basis, depending on the tutor who's available. If you want to go down to your locker, which is any videos of any previous sessions or reviewing feedback that you might have had with that tutor. It will play back any information that you have talked to that tutor or discussed with that tutor about, and it will play it in case you've forgotten. This will help you keep track of everything you guys went over, so you don't get confused later on. This is very helpful in case you're currently busy with another assignment and you completely forgot what that the tutor told you, and then this will help you back. It's not much. That's basically it for the Net Tutor part. In case you have any further questions, you could definitely let us know. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.